SunStone is the architectural limestone coating and most authentic looking decorative concrete product on the market today. SunStone is achieved by applying an initial coat of polymer modified overlay that is handcrafted to provide the desired custom texture. The texture is then sponged to smooth down the rough edges and excess material to prepare for the next stage. An optional custom hand-carved design can be added at this time of the process to create a flagstone, travertine, slate, or whatever design your imagination desires. Once carving is complete, an optional grout can be added to truly set SunStone apart of other decorative concrete looks. The coloring phase is one of the final steps to complete the transformation. Either SUNDEK colored oxides or sun-stained dyes, acid, or water-based stains are applied to provide a natural look and locked in with a clear sealer to protect your investment for years to come. And there you have it, another decorative concrete solution from your friends at SUNDEK.